getting a call from... Hello?
Mr. Miller?
Yes.
Hi, this is Tamara with the Attorney General's office.
Tamara, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
That's good. Did you have a good Labor Day?
I did.
That's good. It's
Very
always
nice.
nice getting a 3-day weekend, right?
That is true. With football season starting up,
That's
so
right.
it's even
That's
better.
right. Yeah.
I spoke with, the only update I have for you is I spoke with Chuck Weir over at the City of San Antonio on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
And he told me, because last time I told you I'd spoken with him and kind of given him instructions about the basic. No, I also kind of mentioned the discovery in the videotape to him.
Right.
He said he would look into that. You know, like I said, that's kind of outside the open records. But anyway, as far as the open records goes, with telling him to go through the basic, he said he had sent that back to, because he's the city attorney, but he had given instructions to the department that had those records to go through that with my instructions. And he told me they were working on that, so I assume that will be done here in the next couple days.
Okay. Well, the letter said 5 days, though. That's...
Well, to contact us, yeah. And, you know, we told him to, and I've spoken with him several times, and then he sent that back to that department.
Okay.
So we don't really have, as opposed to the ruling process where we have statutory deadlines I have to follow,
Right.
you know, the complaints process
Mm-hmm.
doesn't have a statutory deadline I can necessarily hold them to.
Gotcha.
But, you know, I'm just making sure he's still in contact and is, in fact, working on that. And so, like I said, I spoke with him Friday and made sure he got my other message, and he told me he had, and that he had sent that back to the department, and I'm expecting that to be done here fairly quickly if that is the case.
Okay, gotcha. Well, you know, I don't know. It's just if they are requiring, you know, they have requiring deadlines of me to either whatever, pay for fines and do all this other crap, and then they're not following their own bloody deadlines. This is all over a simple, you know, just give me the evidence that I've asked for. Or he could have dismissed this ticket a long time ago and this would all be over with. But he just does not want to do that. So, if that, all I'm saying is that if he wants to play hardball, then we can do that. But he needs to follow his own stinking deadlines then as well. You know, that's all. That's all.
I understand, you know, and I let him know that they had gotten that ruling. That's why this needed to be done fairly quickly.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it had basic information, which is basic information is what we ordered released.
Right.
You know, and so explain to him that no, that the ruling did because there should be basic and the information did. And like I said, it was sent back with those instructions is what I was told. And so.
Okay. But he still thinks that, or you guys, what was the ruling on the dash cam? He claims that
the video does not have basic. That we've ruled that way several times. Like, had they only submitted the video basic release because we don't consider the video to have any basic information.
Okay.
So as far as the open records goes, they can withhold the video. Like that is separate from discovery.
Right.
And it sounded like he was aware of some of those issues, again, but that's not something we would have enforcement authority over.
Right. Who has enforcement authority over the discovery issue then?
Essentially, courts.
Who? I didn't hear you.
Whether or not they
Oh, you're breaking up.
kind of a trial matter.
Oh, okay. It's a court's matter.
Right, because since it is an order through the court, and since those rules are through the court, that's going to be an issue for that trial court.
So that'd be held within the municipal court then, because it's a city issue. So.
Right.
Gotcha. All right. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you for.
But no, I will check back in with him later in the week if I don't hear from him sooner and let you know.
Okay. Yep. Definitely. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to try and see if I might have to call him and see if his heart has changed, if he's willing to send that dash cam video or not.
Yeah, like I said, the attorney I've been dealing with is Chuck Weir.
Yeah,
he
Charles
normally
Weir is
deals
the one
with open record stuff.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I
know there are other attorneys involved with the trial in the municipal court and those attorneys, and I haven't dealt with any of them.
Right. No, that's the one that I've dealt with early on, and he didn't like that his name was mentioned in my complaint about the judge that was running rubber stamping this crap all the way through. He didn't like that, so he passed it on to somebody else. He kept trying to get me to go to Jose Nino, who is the prosecuting city attorney down there, city prosecutor.
Right. See, that person I haven't dealt with.
Right. And I tried calling him, 3 times, left him messages, and I stinking sent him emails, and he never got back to me. And then I got that Sam Adams, and all he did was send me a letter that said he will not talk to me on the phone. He's only going to stink and do it by mail, and unless I'm sending him, unless I'm sending him like payment or something of that nature, he's there's no need to correspond with him. So I might have to go back to Chuck Weir, because he's the only one that's
like I said, he's the one I've been talking to.
Yeah, he's the only one that's talked to me so far. So, all right. Well, thank you for following up. Anyways.
Yeah.
And yeah, I will. I guess I'll wait for your call and see if you get that MDT. That would be vital.
Sounds good.
So, all right.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Take care.